Hey everybody, this is Patrick from Tactical Reach Around, and I served as a U.S. Water Tech in the United States Marine Corps Delta CAG. Today, I'm going to teach you how to become a tactical gun bunny to get my attention. Every day, I get hundreds of messages from women asking me, Pat, what do I have to do to get your seed? What do I have to do to raise your children, or at least have you have intercourse with me? And I'll tell you the truth. All you have to do is tactical gun bunny it up, and today, I'm going to show you how. So today, to help teach you how to become tactical gun bunnies, I have my ex-girlfriend Rusty here, who also happens to be my cousin. That's right, we got our blood work done and had to break up because it turns out I'm a homosexual.
First step, you're gonna need a ridiculous amount of tattoos. I'm talking tattoos everywhere. And if that's too much for you, go down to your local henna shop. That's what I do because I'm afraid of needles. Dye your hair blue, that's my preference because that way I feel like I'm with an avatar. Get on a shirt from RangerUp.com. Now here's the most important step, you're gonna need to get them titties up, because if them titties ain't popping, nobody's gonna respect you, because if a woman ain't got titties popping, what is she anyway? I mean, like what? Like a doctor? Ha! Nice try. Slide them tactical shades on like they were meant for you. What you know about Velcro hats? Putting on that plateless vest is easy, because it slips and slides,
At this point, you might think that you're all set, but you're wrong. You need to be issued a proper weapon of the day. Here with women, I like to give pink BB guns. I don't trust them with an actual weapon because they're the equivalent of one blind man. All right, ladies, so you saw it here first. If you want to get my attention and have my seed, you need to tactical it up like a tactical gun bunny. And then, as long as you're not my cousin and my aunt doesn't get angry, maybe we can make something happen. Also, don't forget to check me out on YouTube, where I'm going to test all the new flavors of Mountain Dew Black, and I'm going to sell on Pornhub making epic ropes.